This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the time machine is unlocked and has at least 1/3 power. Once done, equip the starter tools, a screwdriver, 1 fuel cell, and a chrono token with a 0, 5 value because you'll need them immediately. Next, open the map and lock the red spawn marker as your waypoint. This saves travel time and prevents respawn confusion. Move straight to the machine and begin the initialization sequence so you can trigger the first coin event quickly. Once the machine is primed, insert the fuel cell and chrono token together to ensure the power gauge stays above 33%. That simultaneous input prevents a soft fail. Then perform calibration, rotate the dial to 120 degrees until the green pulse indicator blinks twice, because accurate calibration stabilizes the temporal field. After that, start the retrieval protocol by pressing A and holding B for 3 seconds. This sequence triggers the coin spawn algorithm and begins the extract. Finish by watching the collector shoot closely. The first coin appears during the final 10-second window, and you must grab it before the countdown finishes. If the coin doesn't appear, reset immediately. Remove the chrono token and power cycle the time machine, then repeat the insertion and calibration steps. This clears transient faults. Make sure to read diagnostics. Error code E2 indicates low charge, so replace with a spare fuel cell before retrying. That one troubleshooting tip saves most failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.